Morning, investors, traders, and degenerates. But first, a disclaimer. Disclaimer number one: all fiat currencies are debt instruments. All assets are speculative stores of economic energy. I am just a voice on the internet. Own your own trades. If you don't know how to invest, read books on investing. If you don't know how to trade, find a mentor. You need to be part of a community, in my opinion. I will not be online all day long, so I cannot hold your hand through these trades. I cannot manage your emotions. I cannot manage your capital allocations. And if you're a degenerate, just keep on doing what you're doing. Okay, that being said, get that out of the way, right? Like I said, I'm just a regular dude on the internet. I have no financial training. I'm not a banker. I'm not a economist. I'm just a guy with a voice. And I choose to speak my voice because nobody can speak my voice for me, right? And where should we start this morning? Let's start. It's Monday morning, 8 o'clock London time. It is bull season. Bitcoin, 60,000. 769. Nope, it's going up. It's going up. 781. Wow. Okay. This is the chart, the Bitfinex chart that goes back to early March of 2013. Bitfinex is one of the main old school exchanges that are still around. I believe Bitstamp is also active and still good. I think that's a European exchange. Coinbase, they kicked off that previous 2017 bull, right? Let's just see Bitfinex chart. Why not add it up? And I had some little fibs, right? I think you may have seen these on a chart yesterday, but let's dive in, eh? On the weekly. These are rough. They're not accurate, but around 45 at the zero. The top being 61,174. Or not the top, where I grabbed it from, right? So 1.618. Are you guys watching? Are you guys seeing? Are you guys believing? 71,000. Let's continue up because that's where it's going. 2.618 projection. 86,905. The 3.618. 102. 808.3. And look at that. The 4.236 coming right at my top call, 108. Just above. Are you beginning to believe we're going to 100k, right? And let's look around. This number 2 coin, Ethereum. Let's see, there's your breakout. This is your bull. It's not that old. It started the Ethereum bull. That's interesting. It started post Bitcoin, right? This is the first time I'm looking at this chart like this. Breakout, retest. I'm sure you had a little volatile HVF form there. This is on the weekly, but no need to get too much detail. And what was my previous call? I think I called for 3,000. 3,000 is coming. These are rough. Obviously, they're rough, but they give you a guideline, right? Maybe 4 or 5 grand. End of May. Then we might have a dip. Then in the second season. This could play out where Bitcoin does its thing first, like it's done here, right? And the Ethereum plays catch up because the Bitcoin guys, they've squeezed as much out of Bitcoin as they can, and now they want more. Those greedy guys, so maybe they push Ethereum up into the 10K. Yeah, and because of all this NFT talk and all that stuff, yeah, instead of the 2017 top where Bitcoin topped and it was a month of altcoin activity, the altcoin season may continue into the summer, right? I think I'll call for Litecoin 2 grand, right? August. So this is kind of playing out. This is kind of all coming together. My vision, Balaji's vision, right? And so that's Ethereum, Bitcoin done. What else is on my list? Let's check Bitcoin dominance or lack of dominance. Yep, lack of dominance. So the high, 99.91%. Oh my god. Bitcoin cannot be the dominant player forever. Can't. Technology moves on. It innovates. Bitcoin does not innovate. There is no direction with Bitcoin. It's just a inert, inanimate digital asset. Alt season, Bitcoin dominance into the 40s. I made this cool a long time ago. Let's see when I made it. Yeah, that's one of the first charts I made. Here we go. Are you guys ready? April 1st. Am I the fool? Is Balaji a fool? You decide. Up here? Down there. In an instant. 7 likes. A couple of comments. Okay. Back to our live data. And Ethereum BTC. This could be an interesting chart. Let's get rid of this baseline. Okay, ETH BTC. Are you seeing the inverse head and shoulders? So what is that? 1638. It's about to. It's going up to here. It's going back to challenge. It's going back up to challenge. So 100k Bitcoin and a 0.08 Ethereum, that gives you $8,000 Ethereum, right? Good stuff indeed. So if you're holding halts and like DeFi tokens and stuff that are traded on Uniswap, they all will get a big old pump, right? Because that is Ethereum is its trading pair, dominant trading pair. It may have EUSDC as its trading pair as a secondary, but ETH is the DeFi platform. Bar none. There's nothing else that has the same economic energy going into it. See tweets by Paris Hilton, Mark Cuban. I don't really follow those guys, but maybe I should. Now let's go. Filecoin doing good. 180. Let's get down to the 3 hour. Shall I remove these? No, I want to keep these ABCDs up because I called them. I called it before it happened. So people voted on a Twitter poll that they would take profits from this trade entry. They would take profits there. I said no. And I actually bought on the A, added to my position, and also added, I think up here. This was quite a large purchase by me. Was it 2 days? 2 days ago. I believe it was on the 10th. So it may have spiked it into it. So I've experienced a couple of days of holding a slightly underwater position on the new size, right? And I've been paying for it with the not paying for it's costing me to hold it with the finance futures. It's the maintenance, right? So, and because my position is quite large now, it's probably coming up to $150 a day to hold. So 10 days, $1,500 to hold, right? My position. So, but if I can get up to the B zone or the C zone, it'll be worth it. More than worth it. Yeah, it's going to make a $960 trade into at least five figures, right? At least $10,000. And I think I called for. I'm going to take profits at $5,000, maybe. But I think you should hold up for $10,000, or just let the pattern play itself out. And I mentioned the inverse head and shoulders, so start putting sell orders in the 225 to 250 zone. Just layer them in. Let the market take you out, right? That would be my call. Hex USD. This is the Uniswap chart. You like it? I'll let you just watch it for 10 seconds. Enjoy it. It's good, isn't it? Real good. Real good. So we may bounce, then rise up. I called for 3 cents. 3 cents by the end of the month. So we could get into this parabolic curve and call it a day around here. Then work its way down. A, B, C, right? It may come back down to 2.5. But after that, I'm calling for 5 cents. 5 cents indeed. So you may try and get back into this, right? And this isn't just, what is it? Who knows what it is? It's something, right? But I want to keep them up. Why not? Where are we at? 13 minutes now. Okay, let's see. Anything that pops out. Hex versus Ethereum. As the Hex price rises, this chart should go down. I think I previously mentioned we have a kind of a broadening structure on the top. All right, get the tops, get the bottoms. And let's just draw a trend line. Right. So we may do that. Then fall. So if there's a strength from Ethereum, Hex has to work harder to take away share, right? So you may chop around to a whole month. I don't know what's it going to do. Maybe it comes down first because Hex strength bounces up, then goes down. $3 Hex end of the year. $3 Hex by end of the year. That will be roughly 150 times 2 pennies, right? 150 times. If Ethereum goes up 5 times, okay, 5 times. So divide this number by 30, someone. Take 110,000 divided by 30. Is it 3,000? Someone check my math. Is it 3,000? Too big. Like my white arrow, like my blue star. Okay, next chart. Gold. Gold gained today. What did it do? No. Why is gold up 5% against Hex? Hex is down? Yes, Hex is down. Okay. Silver. Silver is outperforming Hex today. Silver SLV is not open yet. I don't have the silver futures on the chart, but okay. Oh, I see why. I'm tracking GLD and SLV. So this will change when New York opens, right? So excuse that. I don't want to track the GC. I could, but the contracts change, right? So it makes it a little bit weird. Crypto.com looks great. Looks very good indeed. 6, 8. We're gonna hit 30 soon. Pound. Why am I bringing up pound? Because it's the currency I use to buy beer. Yeah, pound's interesting. I was doing all this stuff. I was anticipating parity with the dollar, but it went down a lot, right? I think it hit 112, almost parity, 114. Look at that. And before the intervention changed the rules of the game again. So we could go back up. Average 158 for all this data. So we could go back into this zone and tag 158, come back down. The way lockdowns are occurring in England tells me a lot of information, and they are changing British society forever. So co-opted. UK government co-opted. Okay, Dow Jones. Dow Jones. Where are we? Why is that line so far away? Oh, okay. It changes, doesn't it? This is for the monthly. Yeah. That chart makes sense. That line makes sense on the monthly. It doesn't make sense on the daily. What's the daily telling us? Anything? Up? More ups? I think I gave a target in the 40s, right? You have to check my ideas. Okay, Litecoin. Calling for 300, 700. Look at that bowl action. Bowl action. This is the NG gathering phase, and we have gathered enough energy to take out that line that had me concerned, not concerned, that we need to take out 228. We're out over there, 255. Dash, 290. Ooh, this is good. This is good. This is very good. So when did I post this idea? Around here, right? I think it was around here, 260. We're up 290. We're gonna go up. Everything's going up. Okay. Anything else that pops out? BNB 574. Holy moly. Holy moly. Going to 1,000. I made a call around 375. Back here. Okay, people. My countdown timer is going. I will talk to you guys later.